Okay, we got everything mocked up pretty much. We have the H-frame here. This is just a piece that's sitting in for the long 8-foot piece since it won't fit in the shop. And we'll have the mounting bracket there. And then this will all be one piece. I didn't have any angle iron that was the right size to fit on there nicely. So I just took another piece of 1.5" square steel tubing, put it like that, set it up so that the angle is flush with the edge, and then we'll just weld the vertical piece directly to it. And then this will all be able to slide back and forth on the 8-foot length, and the clamp will be connected to it and clamp it together, and we'll cut it off probably like a 1/2 inch from the end. That's all we'll really need to have it be useful. Okay, so I'll just weld these up. I'm not going to actually weld on camera because a lot of the times when you have sensitive electronic equipment like camcorders next to something that you're welding, it can kind of screw with things. So last time I tried to do a welding tutorial video, I got back and all the video from the welding session was just gone. It was just a corrupted file. So yeah, I'll get these welded up, and then we'll set the thing up, mount it up, and get a shot of the final product in use. Okay, we got everything welded up. I decided to actually weld the long beam directly to the thing and use the double miter cut piece to triangulate it. That way it'll be nice and rigid even far down. And see under here, it's just a H shape, and now I basically am ready to mark and drill the holes for this and get that ready. And we've got the actual stop piece here. Just welded up a little contraption, and then that will be able to slide back and forth to wherever you need it. And for doing really small cuts, we could even have like a spacer plate that you can attach to this and be able to do really fine little slivers of stuff. So that should give us a nice cutting range. And once you get it to the spot you want, you just clamp it down, and then it's good to go. So I'll get those drilled up and we'll move on to the next stage. Alright, it's all welded up, we got the saw bolted on, and you can very quickly, very easily move this to whatever position you need to. And just feed in your metal, butt it up against that, just make a whole bunch of really nice, quick, easy, accurate cuts. And like the majority of things, it doesn't matter if it's like a 1/16 of an inch off or a 1/4 of an inch off, as long as all the parts are consistent. If they're all the same dimension, it's a lot easier to make things work than if you have random variations. So this will definitely be helpful, and hope it helped you guys. I'm going to disassemble it tomorrow and get it painted up when it's nice and warm out. Now for painting this kind of stuff, I would recommend Rust-Oleum high temperature barbecue black paint. And this is a 1200 degree paint. And even though you're not going to be getting this whole setup very hot, the paint dries very quickly, it's rust proof, it's weatherproof, and it just gives a nice matte black finish.